I really think we should open it.
I really want to open it.
No, I think we're supposed to wait.
Oh, I'm so bad at waiting.
Yeah, me too.
Whoa, what's going on? Doodles, get back in that door. No peeking, not yet. Hey, you two, come on, no peeking.
Studio K! Doors open January 2nd. Only on CBC Kids.
I'm not supposed to peek till January, but I'm gonna. I'm on a rocket ship!
Studio K. Doors open January 2nd on CBC Kids.
Studio K. I can't wait for Studio K. I gotta look, I gotta look, I gotta look. Yeah. Bunnies! Oh, so fluffy.
CBC Kids, Studio K. Doors open January 2nd.
We're not supposed to look until January. But one little peek won't hurt. Come on.
Studio K. Doors open January 2nd on CBC Kids.
Studio doesn't open till January. I'm gonna look anyways.
Studio K. Doors open January 2nd on CBC Kids.